at 6, the criminal court case continues against a teenager charged with the murder of a rabbi. His defense attorney is accusing the state of withholding evidence from him. CBS 4's Natalia was the only reporter at today's hearing. She's live in Miami with more. Natalia?
Well, the defense attorney, Elliot, he did have harsh words for the state attorney's office. He says they're stalling on handing over discovery that legally he should have a right to see, and he accuses them of leaking evidence photos to the media. Prosecutors deny that.
Prosecution 101 is if you see the evidence, you try to preserve it right away.
Aggressive words were flying during this hearing in the case against DeAndre Charles, the 15-year-old accused of trying to rob and shooting to death Rabbi Joseph Raxon. Charles' attorney, Adam Goodman, argued to the court that the state attorney's office, which has been working on this murder case for 16 months, is not releasing all the evidence to him, as is required by law.
It seems like it's easier to get an appointment with some of the typical restaurants and like the county than it is to get that appointment.
He pointed to these pictures, which are now part of the discovery, but aired on a news station before the lawyer ever got them. The state denies leaking the pictures.
Was not provided by the state attorney's office, period.
Prosecutors also pushed back, saying they themselves have not seen some of the evidence Goodman is demanding.
We have an obligation to continue to turn over discovery, and when we get it, we will turn it over.
The judge set another hearing to check on exactly when the state will have more evidence to turn over. Another issue, the one eyewitness who picked Charles out of a lineup. The state has not named him.
Because of the public disclosures that have been made in this case, we have decided to only list those witnesses by their initials and to exclude some evidence for their safety.
Now, at the end of that hearing, all the parties agreed that the defense will be able to investigate that witness, but he will keep his name confidential. We are all expected to hear from that witness. He's expected to take the stand on Friday during Charles Arthur hearing, which essentially is the defense's chance to convince the judge to grant Charles bond. Natalia, CBS 4 News.